Good morning. I'm out here in the Middle Fork Snoqualmie River wilderness area, and I'm on the hunt for the elusive Wise Falls. These falls are not very far from the main road that goes through the Middle Fork area, but unmarked. So hopefully we can find it along this trail today. Thanks for joining me today. Let's go on this great adventure in the Northwest together.
Somehow I just never learn. In the back of the schoolyard, where we used to play hide and seek, second nature art, my least favorite state of mind, but I go there all the time, all the time.
Hey, I don't know if you can hear me or not over the waterfalls. This is absolutely incredible. These falls would have been dry all summer, and now they are absolutely roaring. It's a little slippery here. There's moss everywhere. I think you saw that on that shot. So I'm going to set up for a composition, and when I do that, we'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. I hope you can hear me over the waterfalls. I've set up here overlooking the falls. Basically, it comes into my frame from the top right-hand corner, swoops down into the bottom right-hand portion of the frame, and then exits to the left-hand portion. Makes for some really nice leading lines. I wish these logs weren't here, but I think they help a little bit. I've been playing a little bit with my ISO so I can adjust shutter speed up and down. Shutter speed's too long, this just all washes out to pure white. So I've been trying to get a little bit slower, like 1/6, 1/10 of a second for the waterfall, so you get a little bit of motion in the waterfall. I also am bracketing one stop over and one stop under. So one stop under is because this waterfall is super white, and I'm making sure that I capture all of its detail. And then one stop over because I've got this moss that's in front of my leg here, and some darker moss up through where the waterfall is in the frame. If I don't do that, it's really, really underexposed. So I'll have to do a little bit of exposure time blending on this. Got a polarizer on. It helps take out some of the reflections from the water, especially right up through here. There's a little pool of water. I'm hoping I get a little bit more of the color of the water. It's like a really light blue. It's got a lot of granite sediment type of stuff in it. So yeah, let's go take these pictures. All right, here they are. If they turned out any good, I'll show them now. I think that's going to wrap it up for me today. Hope the audio was okay with the waterfall and all. Thanks for joining me on this adventure in the Pacific Northwest. If you like what you saw, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Want to see more of these types of videos, hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit that bell so that you get alerts when they come out. Until our next adventure, bye for now.
You ain't helping me at all. The memories, they all twist and turn. I bang my head against the wall. Yeah, somehow I just live.